Welcome back to Blue's 2-Minute Garden Tips, Harvesting Indoor Greens. If you remember, I've got two kinds of lettuce planted, spinach and arugula. The Butterhead lettuce, a red romaine, the spinach and arugula. As you can see, they've germinated well. They're starting to come in. The arugula is a little behind, but that's just the type of plant it is. It goes a little slower. Eventually, the leafy greens start to grow up. After a few weeks, it's time to fertilize. Don't do it too early. Give it a couple of weeks. The brand doesn't matter. I use water-soluble, a 3-2-2. That's a fairly even fertilizer, water-soluble. Mix it according to the manufacturer, and then water the greens. And, of course, they start to grow. They really start to show some growth at this point. So at some point, I want to talk about how I harvest my indoor greens. What I do is a method called cut and come again, which means that I don't pull it all the way out. I don't cut it all the way down to the ground either. I cut it above soil height. Everything. That's the arugula, that's the lettuces, and the spinach. And then what happens is, after a period of time, the lettuce starts to regrow. And that way there, when I am planting, now on the screen you'll see I've got another batch of lettuce that I reseeded. After a time, the cut and come again, you really do need to replant. But you'll see they're just barely starting to regrow there. You'll see the little bit of germination in this batch here. But the cut and come again, what it is I'm going to cut a couple of inches off the top of, so this is the arugula I'm cutting here now. And then a little bit of the romaine, cutting some of, the little gem butterhead lettuce. Just cut a couple of inches off the top and not everywhere. And that way there, as it regrows, you have enough of a plant to still regrow some. So this here is the red romaine I'm cutting now. And again, the same thing. Leave an inch or two above the soil so that it will regrow. Snip that up, add it to my basket, add in a little bit of the spinach too. So now I've got a couple of kinds of lettuce, a spinach, and some arugula all in the basket that I'm going to use for my fresh lettuces, for my fresh salads. Or wherever I'm using my salad greens. Thanks for watching. This is part 2 of the series, and it's really how I grow my indoor garden. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Blues garden tips. Thank you very much.